12-Day Grapefruit Diet Review. Is it what you've been looking for? The 12-Day Grapefruit Diet is not a new concept. The original plan was developed in the 1930s. The classic version of this diet involves cutting back on sugar and carbs, avoiding certain foods such as celery and white onion, eating more foods that are high in protein, fat, and/or cholesterol such as eggs, pork, and red meats, eating grapefruit or grapefruit juice before or with every meal. Most variations also cut calories, some as low as 800 calories per day. You can also drink 8 glasses of water and 1 cup of coffee daily. This fruit appears to be a dieter's dream. No fat. High in fiber. But, does it work? Is it safe? Does it burn fat? Let's review. The grapefruit diet carries benefits for your skin as it is high in vitamin C. So how does this diet work? It's very simple. You eat half a grapefruit before every meal. The enzyme it contains reduces your appetite so you consume fewer calories. Does it speed up the fat-burning process, helping you to shed pounds? If you use more energy than you take in from the food you eat, you will lose weight. Some studies suggest that you could lose up to 10 pounds in less than 2 weeks by simply introducing this change. Studies also show that you will lose weight safely if you eat 4 or 5 small nutritious meals a day rather than 3 large ones. And exercise more. It is completely pointless to think that one simple change in your diet, like adding grapefruit, is going to result in a big weight loss. You need to review all areas of your life. Do you eat food because you are bored? Do you eat because you are upset? Do you get enough exercise? Most Americans are not active enough. You don't suddenly need to become a gym fanatic, but a little extra activity every day will help. I am sure you can think of a million ways to add some movement to your sedentary lifestyle. You could take the stairs instead of the elevator. You can get off the train one stop early and walk to your destination. In the same way, you can make progress by implementing simple changes at mealtimes. Instead of fried foods which only add extra calories, try grilling, baking, or steaming. Learn how to cook rather than relying on prepackaged meals that add dollars to your bills as well as pounds to your waistline. Use herbs and spices to flavor your meals. Avoid adding salt. It builds fluid retention. Eat more fruit and vegetables. They are high in fiber, low in calories, and very filling. Your skin will glow from all the extra vitamins and minerals you are consuming. Don't eat carbohydrates after 5 p.m. in the evening, as your body will not have sufficient time to burn calories. The body converts excess energy into fat. Eat protein, but choose the leaner cuts of meat and forget about sausages and other processed foods for now. Don't exclude all treats, but go for quality rather than quantity. Stop eating when you are full and not when your plate is empty. Don't mistake being thirsty for feeling hungry. And stop ingesting hidden calories found in soda, flavored waters, and perhaps the biggest culprit of all, alcohol. The bottom line is, you can shrink your waistline by using the 12-Day Grapefruit Diet, but only if you combine it with a well-rounded healthy eating program. The final word: don't bother with the 12-Day Grapefruit Diet. Such a limited variety of food is the prescription for boredom. It's exactly the formula to cause most dieters to give up trying to lose weight. Grapefruit can be part of a healthy weight loss program because it is nutritious, not because of any mysterious fat-burning properties. If you are a grapefruit lover, reap the benefits of this superfruit by adding it to a well-rounded healthy diet. If you would like more information about healthy eating, feel free to check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, repost, subscribe.